Hello, my name is Jocelyn. This is my teaching website, Scofield Studio. If you're new here, welcome. If you are not, welcome back. So this exercise adds on just a little bit to the exercise that I did before, which was jumping. This one, you come back to do and you sing it again before moving on. It may be harder for you slightly, or maybe you'll actually find it easier because you get to sing do a bunch. Okay, so the exercise goes like this. Do, do, re, do, mi, do, fa, do, so, do, la, do, ti, do, do, ti, do, la, do, so, do, fa, do, mi, do, re, do. And that's it. We'll do it a little bit slower. The most challenging part of this interval is to get that top note in tune. So because we're jumping and we're not stepping up, it's a little bit farther sometimes than we think it is, and we tend to undershoot it. Most people undershoot it as opposed to overshoot it. So let's do it slow. I'll kind of do this. Actually, no, I'll do this. Do, re, do. I'll actually just play the note so that it's really, really obvious. It makes it a little bit easier, but I think that's okay for right now. If you are a female, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. If you are a guy, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. It's a little bit too low for me, but if you're a guy, you're here. If you're a female, you're probably here. Nobody's here, and nobody's here. Okay, here we go. Here's your starting pitches. 1, ready, go. Do, re, do, mi, do, fa, do, so, do, la, do, ti, do, ti, do, la, do, so, do, fa, do, mi, do, re, do. And that's it. Let's do it one more time. Do. It might be too fast. If it's too fast, go ahead and slow down the video. It doesn't really matter how fast you do it. It's not a competition, but it does matter how accurate you are with those top notes. You want to be really, really accurate as much as possible. So if it takes you a second to tune to the note, do, so. If it takes you a second, go ahead and slow down the video so that you can really tune to the note. And if you're finding this really challenging, do the exercise that's do, re, mi, fa, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Do the pyramid walking up intervals, then do this exercise. Okay, let's do it one more time. So here we go. Ready, go. Do, re, do, mi. Do, fa, do, so, do, la, do, ti, do. That's hard. Do, ti, do, la, do, so, do, fa, do, mi, do, re, do, and then do. Whew, okay. Hope this was manageable. I would do it like a dozen times because it's all about repetition and getting more familiar with the major scale. And if you're like, this is too easy for me, I would still do it just like once or twice before you move on to the next one. All right, good luck.